chunks. We can find the syllables by looking for and hearing the vowels. This, oh, I love that I have two books. How convenient. This looks like a difficult word until we break it into 4 syllables. These are syllables. See, each syllable has a vowel. So you guys look, each of these syllables has a vowel. What's the vowel here?
N.
What's just the vowel? I. What's the vowel here?
E.
What's the vowel here?
E.
What's the vowel here?
I. Interesting.
So what makes a syllable is that it has a vowel sound. And when we break a word up into syllables that have that vowel sound, it makes it easier to read the word, okay? When we say each syllable, we can feel our mouth open. Each syllable has one beat. Watch me read this, and then you're going to get to join me. In, ter, est, ing. Interesting. First, read these long words already broken into syllables, and then you're going to read the words fast. So, read,
N.
read,
Vest.
read.
Ed.
Yeah, ed. Try that out in your mouth. Ed.
Ed.
Yep. Read it in parts again. Read,
N.
read, read. Read it fast. Invested. And when you invest money, it means you put money into a project, hoping that that project will grow and get better and better and better, and you'll get your money back plus some. So invest means that you're putting money into something and you're kind of waiting to see if it grows, if people buy it, whatever it is, and then you'll get your money back plus more money. Okay? Lots of grown-ups invest money. So, read the parts. Read.
Car.
Read.
Pen.
Read. Read it fast.
Carpenter.
Carpenter is somebody who builds houses. Okay? Read the parts. Read.
How.
Read. Read.
Full.
Read it fast.
Powerful.
So reading a word by parts helps us read longer words. So I'm going to do individual turns. Kyra, right? See how my memory is working today. Read the parts.
Coal. Pen. Tool.
Read.
Carpenter.
Yes, carpenter, very good. Rain. Read the parts.
Pen. Vest.
Read it fast.
Invested.
Emmanuel. Read the parts. Awesome. Layla, you get to do the one in the box. Read the parts. Read. Read it fast. Awesome. Now break these words into syllables. We're going to look down here. And then read the words. So this time, actually, you know what I need is a pencil tip.
Right behind you.
Pencil tip. This time, this is what the word looks like in its natural habitat, right? It's not all broken apart. We don't see words all broken apart. So this time, you just follow my pencil. We're going to read the parts, and then we're going to read the whole word. So read along with my pencil. This sound is, what sound? Drawing on the teacher's book? Or a good thing it's my book. What sound is this right here? This sound is, try that syllable again. Fact. Good. Read. Read it fast.
Infected.
Yeah, my scrape got infected and got really sore. Read the parts. Yeah, let's sound that syllable out again. I like it better when you guys sound it. I think it's getting you more accurate. So sound. Bliss. Read this part. Yeah, start with the ter. Oh, do you see the reading happening?
What
It is happening. Like you didn't know that word when we started reading it, and then we sounded out each part, and you're like, blistering. What's a blister? Have you ever had a blister?
Yes.
So the process of getting a blister is blistering. Like I can feel my heel blistering in my hiking boots. Yeah, well, when it starts and it starts to hurt, that's blistering. Okay? Read the part, sound this. Sound it, sound it. Try the word. Individual turns. Now you're going to sound it out. Sound the parts out. Layla, you get to go first. Sound. Read the word. Awesome. Rain. Sound it out. Really, really careful decoder you are. Really careful to look at each letter and the sound that it makes. Kyra. Read the word. And then read the parts.
In